How do I stop receiving notifications for a group chat on FaceTime after I have left it permanently?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're tackling a common issue many of us experience, and that's how to stop receiving notifications for a group chat on FaceTime even after leaving it permanently. It can be quite a nuisance, but don't worry, there are easy ways to solve this, and we're going to walk through them step by step.
Ensure you've left the group chat.
Firstly, let's make sure you've actually left the group chat. 1. Open the Messages app on your device. 2. Locate and open the group chat in question. 3. Tap on the group name or number at the top of the screen. 4. Scroll down and select Leave this conversation. Note, if you can't find the Leave this conversation option, it may be that not all members are using iMessage, or you're in a group with just 2 other people. In these cases, you may not be able to leave the group, but you can still mute notifications.
Mute notifications.
If you're still receiving notifications after leaving the group chat, or you're unable to leave, you can mute the notifications instead. 1. Open the group chat again in the Messages app. 2. Tap on the group name or number at the top of the screen. 3. Select the Info I button. 4. Enable the Hide Alerts option. This will prevent any notifications from this chat from appearing.
Block contacts. Last resort.
If all else fails, you can consider blocking the contacts from the group chat. Please note that this will block the individual contact entirely, not just in the group chat context. 1. Go to Settings on your device. 2. Scroll down to FaceTime. 3. Tap on Blocked Contacts and then Add New. 4. Find the contact you wish to block and tap on their name. Remember, if you block a contact, they will not be able to call, message, or FaceTime you until you unblock them. And that's it. By following these steps, you can stop those pesky FaceTime group chat notifications once and for all. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any other tech-related issues you're struggling with, leave a comment, and we'll do our best to help out. Until next time, goodbye.